and welcome to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Lisa, your host. Today we will talk about how to learn English fast in 2025. This is for both beginners and those who want to get better. We have many tips to help you make quick progress. And of course, I'm not alone. Joining me is my amazing co-host, Tommy. Hi, Tommy. How are you doing today?
Hi, Lisa. I'm doing great. Thanks. And hello to all our listeners. Lisa, learning English is very important now. Did you know that 1.5 billion people are learning English today? That's 20% of the world. English is not just a language. It's a key to opportunities in work, travel, education, and technology.
Exactly, Tommy. And the good news is that learning English doesn't need to take years. With the right tools, methods, and attitude, you can learn faster. In this episode, we'll share useful tips to help you reach your English goals this year.
Get ready and take notes. And stay with us until the end for a quick review and extra tips to keep you motivated.
So, why is learning English so important now? English is not just a global language, it's the language of progress. It helps you with work, travel, and connecting with people worldwide.
That's true, Lisa. In 2025, many people work online. These jobs often need English to talk with teams from other countries.
And don't forget technology. Many tools and apps like AI assistants work in English.
Right. And in fields like science, business, and technology, most research and conferences use English. Knowing English helps you stay competitive.
Even in entertainment, English is everywhere. On Netflix, YouTube, and in Hollywood movies. Learning English gives you access to this world.
It's also important for education. Many top universities and online courses use English. It opens the door to world-class learning.
Learning English can be hard. The first challenge is time. People are busy with work and studies, so finding time to practice can be difficult.
Another problem is not having good resources, like teachers or apps. This can make learning harder.
Motivation is also an issue. Many people start excited but quit when they don't see quick results.
And then there's the fear of mistakes. People are scared of sounding wrong, so they avoid speaking.
Lastly, consistency is hard. Many learners start strong but stop practicing after a while.
These challenges are real, but they all have solutions.
The first tip is to set clear goals. Don't just say, I want to learn English. Instead, say, I will learn 10 words a day, or I will speak English 3 times a week.
Good idea. The second tip is to make a daily routine. Even 15 minutes a day is better than studying for hours once a week.
Use technology. Apps like Duolingo or Babbel are great for learning, and tools like ChatGPT can help you practice conversations.
Watch movies, listen to podcasts, and change your phone to English. Immersion is key.
Learn phrases, not just words. For example, don't just learn excited, learn I'm excited about this.
Practice speaking by shadowing. Repeat what native speakers say and copy their pronunciation.
Find a language buddy or record yourself speaking. The goal is to use English daily.
And celebrate your progress. Small wins keep you motivated.
To stay motivated, make a learning schedule and stick to it.
Pair learning with your daily habits, like listening to podcasts while commuting.
Reward yourself for small achievements and track your progress in a journal or app.
Remember why you're learning English. Think about the new opportunities it will bring.
And join a community of learners to stay connected and get support. Learning English opens doors to the world. Start with one tip from today and take action.
Comment below and share what you'll do to improve your English.
Thank you for listening. Keep learning and moving forward.
Goodbye and happy learning.